This is one of our favorite scented orchids. It is also a very commonly used medicinal orchid and has been known to treat weakness, coughs, breathlessness, and many more diseases. This fragrance oil will leave you mesmerized. We've added many other beautifully scented orchids. These orchids have therapeutic and medicinal abilities and have been used to treat many different illnesses. You will find that Fresh 7 has hints of woody and spicy hues that are rather contrasting with the sweet floral scents from the orchids. This is due to the presence of other ingredients such as jatamansi and rosemary. Jatamansi, or spikenard, is recognized as a calming herb. Its scent carries an aromatic, earthy, musky, and woody note, enhancing the overall sensuality of the fragrance. It can be used in perfumery, aromatherapy, and medicinal applications, as the scent does not irritate our senses in any way. The soothing and relaxing scent relieves stress and anxiety, inducing sleep more effectively. Fresh, camphorous, and woody is what many people identify rosemary scent as, and some would even say it smells lavender-like or eucalyptus-like. Rosemary is wildly desired not only as garnishes in food, but also for its medicinal and aromatic benefits. Have you heard of people smelling rosemary scent to improve focus? Many studies show that it's accurate and is a great brain stimulator to improve memory as well. What's more, it also helps in supporting great mental health by reducing stress-inducing hormones. Fresh floral and with a hint of warmth and spice, this scent is great for adding that little kick to your perfume.